A real man never hurts a woman. A story of love, respect, and equality. I've lived through so many moments, some beautiful, others painful, but there's one truth I've come to understand deep in my soul. A real man never hurts a woman. It's so simple, yet so profound. And if you truly love a woman, you'll never make her cry. Because her tears aren't just drops of sorrow, they are sacred, counted by the very hands of God. Think about that for a second. When you hurt a woman, when you break her heart or betray her trust, you're not just hurting her. You're hurting the essence of who she is. The very person she's been created to be. A woman didn't come from a man's feet to be trampled on. Nor did she come from his head to be ruled or made to feel lesser. She came from his side, a part of him, equal to him. She stands beside him, not behind or ahead of him. She is meant to walk beside him, hand in hand, as an equal partner, not as someone to be dominated or belittled. She came from under his arm to be protected. She should feel safe in his embrace. Never in danger of being hurt by the one who promised to love and cherish her. She should feel like she has a shield, someone who stands strong in the face of challenges, ready to defend her. Not someone who brings harm into her life, and most importantly, she came from near his heart to be loved. She is meant to feel the warmth of his love, the depth of his care, and the purity of his affection. His love should heal, never hurt. It should lift her up, never drag her down. So, when you are in a relationship, remember this. Love is not about control, power, or superiority. It's about equality, respect, and protection. It's about seeing the woman beside you as your equal, loving her with the same gentleness, kindness, and strength you would want for yourself. Lesson: if you truly love someone, you don't hurt them. You lift them up. You protect them. You cherish them. And you never, ever make them cry. A real man understands the depth of a woman's worth. He treats her with the respect she deserves because he knows that when she is happy, he, too, is happy. A woman's tears are never something to be counted in pain, but in love, in joy, in kindness. So, let love be the guiding force. And remember, a real man never hurts a woman. He loves her with all his heart.